Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this look is a blue eyeliner inspired look. I have been really feeling the color blue lately, and I have been seeing a lot of vloggers do it. So I kind of was like, you know what, I want to try it too, since I don't really wear color that much. But I really love the blue eyeliner. I actually used the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and this is in their color Sapphire. And I got this, of course, at the beauty supply store. You can get it there too, or you can always go to the NYX Cosmetics actual store, which is in the city by Union Square if you're in New York. I really loved how vibrant this looks because the color is definitely true to itself and it went on pretty easily. You'll see in the video how I apply it. And then other than that, I kind of liked matching it with a white color because I really don't use my white eyeshadows for some reason. So I'm like, let me try this out with the blue eyeliner. It might be a cute look. But yeah, so I've been experimenting lately with my colors, so I feel proud. I will put all the info for every single product I use for this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new, definitely subscribe to my channel. And other than that, please give this video a major thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys again soon. Peace!